Frustrated by the DPX Library DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for DPX Library, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the Dpx library, the direct package extraction library. It manages the unmanaged localized decompression and localized extraction of localized Windows update packages, MSU and .cab, into localized system servicing manifests. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Dpx belongs to the Windows System Core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Dpx library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Dpx Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Dpx library documentation. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Dpx library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.